Welcome. In front of me is an iPhone 15 Plus, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this device through settings. So to get started, we will need to open up our settings, and in here you want to select General and scroll down and select Transfer or Reset iPhone. And then at the bottom you have Erase All Content and Settings option. So you want to click on it. Now it will force us to also sign out of the iCloud if you are logged into one, which I believe should show up in a second. But before we do, it gives us a bunch of information. So erase this iPhone, and it shows us that it will erase all apps and data, which is 17, almost 18 gigabytes of it, Apple ID, and then also it shows us that Find My is enabled. Anyway, I'm gonna select continue. It asks us if we want to upload data to iCloud. I'm gonna select erase now, so I don't want to upload anything or back it up basically. And here I just need to provide the password for the iCloud, assuming I actually remember it. Now I'm not sure exactly what's happening. I selected turn off and it's just kind of stuck here. Apple, could you give me any info? Is that a correct password, or do I need to try another one, or what? Oh boy, let's try that again, because it's Apple technology. Let's try it again. Now, as you can see, cancel also becomes accessible now. Okay, in any case, I'm just gonna kind of tell you what should happen, because it looks like this amazing OS just can't seem to figure out what the hell I want it to do. So let's just go into it. Once you sign out of your iCloud, you can then select once more that you want to erase all data, which will then begin factory resetting your iPhone. Now this process will take a couple minutes to finish up, and once it's completed, you will be then presented with the setup screen for your iPhone. Now unfortunately I am unable to show you this because it's going stupid. A $1,000 device can't figure out how to sign out of the iCloud. It can't tell me if it's correct password or not, and it just gives me no info. Great programming there. Anyway, so let's just assume that it resetted itself, and that's about it. So anyway, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.